Alright guys, so pretty much got back from Sterling State Forest, upstate New York. Doomed from the start, I had to retreat. Too many things went wrong. It was raining. My tripod, my camera, it tipped over on a slope. Thankfully, this thing took the brunt of it, the lens hood. It'll cost me about $60 to replace this, but that's better than replacing a 24 to 70 G Master or any Sony camera for that matter. Yeah, humidity was killing me. And worst of all, the mosquitoes. I mean, the mosquitoes were out in force. They came, they saw, they conquered, and that was the end of that. I had to literally run back. Anyways, whatever you see here is just gonna be what you see. Short video. Hope you enjoy. What's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today we're at Sterling State Forest. Behind me is the Sterling furnace. It was used to pretty much smelt down iron in order to create big, chains, cannons, whatever they needed iron for back in the day. I believe this was made, well, not this particular building, but the original building here was made in about the 1700s. They stopped using it around maybe the late 1800s. And what you see right here is actually a reproduction of what it used to look like. It's just stone, there's wood. Technically, the way it worked was, on top they would throw in the iron ore, and then it would get melted down by the massive fire that's below. And then after that, anything that is left over is going to be either thrown away, and if you got the iron that's left, you have pretty much pure iron. And that's what was used to make all the metals back in the day. So bayonets, cannons, chains, boats, whatever they wanted to make. Pretty cool.